Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news ahead of tomorrow's closely watched RBNZ OCR decision. First in the US, new home sales rose, but by less than expected. The tame result continues a now long trend of sales levels that are not really growing. Of concern is that this market has had over 8 months of unsold supply at the current sales rate. High mortgage rates are getting the blame. The February update to the Dallas Fed factory survey in America's oil patch turned from being negative to positive, both on the activity index and their outlook index, but both levels remain below their long-term levels. A brighter new order level turned this around though. Another very well supported US Treasury 2-year note auction brought rising yields, now at 4.64%, which is up from 4.31% a month ago. And industrial production in Singapore shrank 5.7% in January from December, the second large fall in the past 3 months. From the same month a year ago, it was up just 1.1%. In China, the equities markets are in a post-holiday lull. Prices are retreating. There are no scheduled listings, and in fact, no applications cleared for stock exchange review. Existing applications to list are being withdrawn. A heavy clamp is going on the private sector, in complete contrast to the official speeches extolling the importance of the private sector. Investors notice the disparity, and investors know that the home team interventions never last and are wary of having a stake in an essentially rigged market. Also in a lull are business expectations in China. Steel rebar prices fell to their lowest level in nearly 4 months. We point out these interesting big trends, but that does not necessarily indicate that their whole economy is backsliding. It just explains why the growth impetus in the world's second largest economy is leaking away. The bulk of their SOE-led economy is still active and supporting their huge population and demand. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 4.30% and up 5 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today down $8 at $2,027 an ounce. Oil prices are up 50 cents at $77 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now at $81.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 61.7 US cents and down a quarter cent from this time yesterday. Against the Aussie was still at 94.4 Australian cents. Against the euro, they're down nearly a half a cent at 56.9 euro cents. That all means our trade weight index starts today at just on 71.1 and 30 basis points lower. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz.